Okay, so now we got one little piece of filter paper. And then you're going to need to get that weight. Okay, so we pre-weighed this, and we've got our vacuum filter flask. This is a trap, so I'm going to put that in and connect this to here. On top, this is where our vacuum flask sits. And then this goes to here. This comes out to this yellow nozzle. When we turn this on, makes terrible noise. So instead, we're going to put this piece of filter paper in. Can you get that? And then I'm going to wet it. Now we're going to put that on, and it sinks that all down and pulls the liquid through. Okay, you can stop. Okay, this is my least favorite part of this reaction. Can you see that? That is not solid, that is an oil. So we have oiled out. So we are going to fix it by scratching I know, it's terrible. We're gonna scratch the bottom of our flask, and we're hoping that the tiny little scratch marks are going to be enough to get that oil to settle in and solidify. Okay, so all at once, that oil turned to solid. I was really worried about it, but now we've got nice, pretty white solid. I also want to show you this. There's solid on there that we're not going to be able to collect, so that's product loss. Now, we're going to vacuum filter. So, I'm going to swirl this to try to get as much in my first pour as possible, so that I don't have to do a lot of scraping. Because, no, just like scraping with a spatula. Now, I have cold water here. I'm going to do a little rinse with cold water. Actually, this is what I'm going to do. Oh, sorry. I'm going to measure it so I know I don't get more than 5 to 10. I'm going to measure out 10 because I don't want a lot of cold water because it's going to dissolve it. And we want to collect it. Woo. Get that little guy. Okay, so there is stuff in there. I hate rolling my floss. I hate these little spatula things. I'm full of hate right now. Okay, so this is a little bit of product loss. But we've got some nice product in there. I'm going to rinse this guy. And we're going to let that. So I use my water to wash and to try to get out what I could. Let me try one more time because it annoys me a bit. Can you see that white stuff there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to let this dry for 10 minutes. Okay. Now we're going to break the vacuum there. Now notice, can you zoom in on that? There is some solid that we're losing there. But we do have this and all of this product here. So I'm going to carefully flip that all out. we've got some product loss, so it's not going to be 100%. Now, we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to weigh it.